Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Harrison Avenue 2021 Open House. We are so happy to have your kids back every day and to see them every day. For those of you who I have not met yet, my name is Valerie Himes. I'm the principal here at Harrison Avenue. I have just started my 13th year, and it really is my privilege to be your child's principal and to work with you in partnership. Although tonight's open house is virtual, we are committed to having as many in-person activities for your child and for you as we possibly can. So we'll be looking at all of our events one at a time. And if we can have these events in person, we will certainly do so. Here at Harrison Avenue, we really believe in a rigorous academic program for your child, but we also know that the social emotional domain is just as important. This year at Harrison Avenue, we are going to focus on defining and displaying empathy. It is a big concept for young children, but we think that they can learn it, and we know that they need it in order to maintain good friendships, to resolve conflicts, and to have healthy relationships with all their peers and the adults. We are looking forward to working in partnership with you this year. If there's anything that you want me to know about your child, anything that you'd like to talk about, please reach out to the main office, and I'll be happy to talk with you about anything that's on your mind. Please enjoy your child's open house tonight.